Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Xano API to Bubble backend step by step clearly. To connect the Xano API to your Bubble backend, first, log in to your Bubble account. Next, open your Bubble application where you want to integrate the API. Navigate to the API connector plugin in Bubble. If you don't have the API connector installed, go to the Plugins tab and add it. Once installed, click on the API connector to open the settings. Click on Add another API to start setting up your connection. Name your API something identifiable, like Xano API. In the authentication section, choose the appropriate authentication type as per your Xano setup. Fill in the necessary API key or token if required. Next, you need to set up the API calls. Click on Add API Call to create a new endpoint. Fill in the name of your API call. Enter the Xano API endpoint URL that you want to connect to. Select the method type for your API call, such as GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE. If your API call requires parameters, add them in the body or URL sections as needed. Configure the headers required by your Xano API in the headers section. Make sure to include content type and authorization as needed. Once all details are filled, click on the Initialize Call button. This will test your connection and bring back a sample response. Review the response to ensure everything is set up correctly. If the response is as expected, click Save to keep your API call settings. Now that your API call is set, go to the Design tab to set up your elements. Drag and drop the elements that will interact with your API data. Configure these elements to display or send data via your established API call. In your workflows, set up actions to use the API call when needed. Test your application to confirm that the API connection works as intended. Adjust any settings as necessary based on your testing results. You have now successfully connected the Xano API to your Bubble backend. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.